Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kinong pathai kubor kejela ki bahapo kasatri jong ka Shillong Press Club haka khandai terek mentau benaya yong kilai sim menta haka jingia pat ba ka bajarjar haka ni ganung ba Shillong ban penram jor ya ka jing kawang petel bom kirunar bamla beri thodor kman ya ka yengsa jong ka editor jong ka kot kubor The Shillong Times ikong Patricia Mukhem ibasong basa apo ompling Shillong kani ka jingja kalaja hakamit khanyo terek mentau benaya yong haka ba arngot ki breu ki bamla ithodor kman kilawan da ka thokthong haka por kumba prash teng janmien bat kawang bit do petrol bom ya ka yengsa je kong Patricia Mukhem dan bak pat ba hakani jingja omsem na dan ba mansaw ya kani jingia pa ba alasdang na ka office jong ka Shillong Press Club na la chumia bat la pia terter lengba ka barik point Shillong Civil Hospital IGP point Kashari na khamat iyeng ulan bat la wan pangkot biang hapo Shillong Press Club la chumia hakani jingia kijat da ka bajarjar kinong pathai ko bor klara alangro bat jing tho haki plakat ban penram jor ya kani jingja bat dawaru na ki bor pulen ban pelong ka jing toket bat ban kam mi ki breu ki brangkti hakni company bor kinong pathai ko bor hakani jingya pat ba hakani si lawani simentalang ro da ki riu pakmat jong kani jella bakan thop yu bat to kibla u Dr. Sumar bin Umdor u ba lari warji bat kiwi kiwede
No matter what forces stand between us, we will always overcome and we will prevail. What we do good, we will do best and we'll do better, and no one will make us cow down. So, Kong, this is our expression of love and care, solidarity to you. Everybody, all journalist friends from across the state have come together for you. And this is not only for you, but this is also a very direct signal to the criminals. I wouldn't term them miscreants because they have committed a crime. And I just want to tell those boys that they better watch out because somebody is coming after you, you will be hunted, you will be penalized, and you will spend some quality time in jail. And we will continue to do what we do best.
This is a great moment for me. I don't feel alone, I feel loved, I feel cared, and I feel that we need to be like this always because we need to stand together to brave these forces of anti-democracy, because there are some groups and individuals and vested interests who do not want the truth to be told about their activities, about their acts of omission and commission. In a democracy, there is space for dissent. If you don't like a certain view, you give a rejoinder, you come up with an alternative view, you address your grievances at the Shillong Press Club, you write to the newspapers. There are many ways of resolving an issue that you don't agree with or that you think when an individual or a group feel that they have been misquoted or written wrongly about. That is the time when we should dialogue it out. In a democracy, there is no space for force, for compulsion, for threats and for intimidation. And I really wish that we stand together like this and we keep standing for the truth always, because without that there's no journalism. We are not going to dilute our writings because these so-called criminals are after our blood. We will continue to be strong, and I urge all of us, especially our young friends, to remain committed to the job that we have taken up, the profession that we have taken up with much love and dedication. Let us remain firm, let us always remain committed to the work that we are doing, because that is the only thing we know. I mean, what else do we do apart from reporting the truth, apart from writing of the truth? We don't know anything else. And we hope and we pray that the society itself understands our commitment to the profession and stands with us in solidarity. Thank you so much once again.